Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G isn't connecting to the Wi-Fi. The first thing that we can do is quickly restart the connections by swiping down the control center and enabling airplane mode. After enabling the airplane mode, your device should automatically disconnect from Wi-Fi. If it's not doing that, we can still manually disconnect from Wi-Fi. Then, after a couple of seconds, disable the flight mode and re-enable the Wi-Fi. Let your device reconnect to the Wi-Fi and see if this fixed the issue. If it didn't, then we can also restart the smartphone by holding down the power button and volume down keys and selecting restart. Also, before troubleshooting your device furthermore, also check whether other devices around you that also should have internet access can actually connect to this Wi-Fi router. So check your laptop, your other smartphone, your tablet, your PC, and check whether they can use the internet with this Wi-Fi router, and if they do, then continue the troubleshooting on your Samsung. If they don't, try restarting your router and reaching out to your internet provider. Okay, so the next thing that we can do on our smartphone is unlock it, and if the Wi-Fi still isn't there, we can go to settings. We can open Wi-Fi connections menu. We can go to our Wi-Fi menu. We can tap the gear icon next to the Wi-Fi, and after that select forget at the bottom bar. Once the Wi-Fi is forgotten, we can reconnect to it, and this time we're gonna have to re-enter the password to the Wi-Fi network in order to connect to it. Check if your Wi-Fi started working, and if it didn't, the last thing that we can do is go to General Management in settings. No, not accessibility, General Management, and scroll down to Reset options. Open Reset menu and scroll down to Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap Reset Settings. Confirm with your password if prompted. Then go back to Connections, go to your Wi-Fi, select your Wi-Fi network once again, and try connecting to it once again. And after that, the issue should be resolved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.